Hi everybody, welcome to Our Life in the Philippines. One of the things that we enjoy to do, sometimes we don't do it very often, but maybe once a month or every 2 weeks or so, we go out. Friday night we went out to the Mexican restaurant, did a little stroll down the walking street, and when we were done there we proceeded over to the Diamond Subdivision, where there's a great music bar there called the Blues Bar, and you can see one of the bands playing here in the background on my monitor, and this video will be a little presentation of what they do. It's a really nice place. It's right on the opposite of Wishing Well, inside the Diamond Subdivision. I'm sure most of you are familiar with the location of the Wishing Well. They are on the opposite side, right across the opposite side. There is a Korean restaurant there on the lower level, and the Blues Bar is on the second floor. So you just walk up the stairs and walk in, and you are experiencing some great live music. They are open, we can talk about that. They are open, I think, Tuesday through Sunday. The band, I think they're called Friction, if I remember right. Me and name doesn't come along very well, but it's the Friction band. Manny is the band leader. He's also the lead guitarist there, and they are very talented. They also have, sometimes they have the floor open. If you're a musician, you can come there, talk to Manny or somebody, and maybe you can join the band for a little jam here and there. So let's do that. What else is there to say about the band and the place? The place is kind of narrow and small, but to me it's pretty cozy. You know, you get 20 people in there or so, and it has a really good atmosphere. It's not very big, but it's a really nice place, and I like it because the waitresses are friendly, and the owners there are friendly. Everybody is there to have a good time. So for now, let's take you in to the Blues Bar, and let's go and listen to one song, and then I'll come back and close this video out. right, guys, that was just a little sample from the Blues Bar. I'm actually going to meet Chris, one of the partners with the Blues Bar today. We're going to talk about maybe setting up a little better recording, so when we do this, we can get a better sound to you guys. They will probably also start a little more export their videos and start doing some recordings and create a little music YouTube channel from the Blues Bar. And we're going to meet up today around 4 o'clock this afternoon and talk about it. But for now, that was it from the Blues Bar and from us here at Our Life in the Philippines. You can search us on YouTube. You can search us with a hashtag
OLIP.
OLIP, OLIP, Our Life in Philippines. So feel free to subscribe, share, and like if you want. And if you like our videos, just hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell also, and you get notified when we are uploading new content and that. One thing I always say, you know, we love the thumbs up, and we also don't dislike the thumbs down. However, when you do a thumbs down on our channel, I'm trying to train our subscribers and visitors to do me a favor. We understand that we cannot, what you say, satisfy everybody's feeling of what's good and what's bad. But if you do a thumbs down, please go to the comment section and just write us a note and say, hey, you know, I give you a thumbs down, but here's why I do it. I don't mind that, because that will teach us how to be better to provide content that gives us a thumbs down would like. So
yeah.
So please do that. Hit the thumbs down, but then go down to the comment section and give us a little hint of what you didn't like in that particular video. For now, thank you for watching. God bless, and bye-bye.